Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mindful Convo. Please like and subscribe my channel so that it will motivate more to upload more videos. So our today's topic is flowchart and RPA. As we know that flowchart is a visual representation of process which includes steps that are represented by different symbols connected with the arrows, where the symbols like decisions, switch, case and etc. Basically, we have studied earlier in my previous video the sequences. Unlike sequences, flowchart represent multiple branching as well as logical operators that in turn create complex business processes by connecting the activities in multiple ways. So as we will aware about the flow charts, now we will do the practical implementation for the same. Now we will open the uipath, and as we have seen that there is a drop activity here. So we will drop the flow chart here. It is the activities panel as we have discussed before, and we take the flow chart from this activities panel. When we double click on it, we have seen a start button here. So all other activities are attached with the start button in order to start this flow chart. So here we are doing the practical implementation of flow chart, in which we will see that we have to take an input dialog box in which we will take the input from the user, and on the basis of that input we will make sure whether the input is correct or not. So firstly we will take input dialog box, and when we will take input dialog box we will connect this dialog box from the start button. Okay, then it is written that double click to view. First of all, we will rename the dialog box. The name we should give to it is like variable dialog box. The text it is written is like value of variable. Now the label should be what is the value of variable. Okay, and now as we have seen before that for variable dialog box we have to take an input in which we store the input of the user. So we have to take the variable. So for variable, we will create variable in this by doing Ctrl+K. It is the shortcut. We name the variable as input. Okay. Now we will go to the flow chart and add the if activity here. And also we will connect the if activity from this dialog box. When we double click on it, as we have discussed about the if activity, that there is a condition and then and else. So in condition we will put input. Let's say we will give the value to the input as 1. So if we will put input equals to 1, then, and if we are putting input equals to 1, it means we have to give the variable type of this input variable as int. Okay, now we will drop the activity here. We will take the log message. In log message we will take info, and here the message will be if the input is equals to 1, then the message is the value of input is correct. Okay, then we will drag another log message in the else part. We will again select info and then we will write the value of input is incorrect. Okay, now as we can see here that this is our flowchart. So when we run this file, what we will see? The execution is running. Now we will see that we have one dialog box. When we put the value to 1, then what it will be shown? If I will do OK, then in output we will see that the value of input is correct. Then again run the file, and when we will run this file, then we will get another input other than 1. So if we will put 2 here, then what the output should be? That the input is incorrect, because we have put in condition that the variable should be equal to 1. See, the value of input is incorrect. Okay, so as we have all seen the flowchart in RPA with UiPath. In further videos, we will discuss about the type of decisions in flowchart. So that's it for today. Okay guys, goodbye.